You ever look at your kid and wonder if you're actually messing them up by loving them too much? Mine breaks down over homework, like it's the end of the world. And I get it. I really do. But maybe I made it too easy. Spilled juice. I'm there with a towel. Lost a game. I distract him before the tears even start. I thought I was being a good parent, rescuing him from every stumble. But now I wonder, what if that good parenting is why he's so soft? I praised every little thing, but I forgot to give him grit. And when life pushes back, he doesn't know how to push forward. It hit me hard. I wasn't building his strength. I was shielding him from it. Real love isn't about catching every fall. It's teaching them to stand up on their own. So now I step back. I let him try. I let him fall. And I watch him rise. Because one day I won't be there to catch him. If I do this right, he won't need me to. If you're a parent who's been overprotecting your child, pause, think again, reset your boundaries, and start building their resilience. It's never too late to change course. Give them room to explore, to fail, and to grow stronger each day. Follow Parenting Matter for practical tips and real stories. We're on this journey together, raising independent, resilient, and creative kids